In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Bing. If you're new to Bing, or you just want a quick refresher, this walkthrough will get you signed in smoothly so you can access personalized results, saved preferences, and Microsoft rewards. All you need is your Microsoft account, the same one you might use for Outlook, OneDrive, or Xbox. Start by opening your web browser and going to www.bing.com. Make sure you're on a secure, trusted network, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. If the page looks zoomed or elements are hidden, reset your browser zoom to 100% so you can see everything clearly in the top right corner. In the upper right, look for the Sign In link or a small profile icon. Click that. Bing will take you to the official Microsoft Sign In page. This is expected because Bing uses Microsoft accounts for authentication. If you see an account picker with previously used accounts, select the one you want, or choose to use a different account. Enter the email address, phone number, or Skype ID associated with your Microsoft account, then click Next. Take a moment to double-check for typos. Small mistakes here can cause repeated sign-in errors. If you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, make sure you're signing into the one you intend to use for Bing. On the password screen, type your password and click Sign In. Verify that Caps Lock isn't on, and if you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce errors. If you can't remember your password, look for the recovery link on the page to reset it securely, and then return to sign in. You may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. If you're on a personal device, choosing Yes saves time next visit. On shared or public devices, choose No to keep your account secure. After that, if you have two-factor authentication turned on, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Enter the code from your authenticator app, text message, or email. Codes are time-sensitive, so open your app or messages right away, and if a code doesn't arrive, use the resend option. Once you're signed in, you'll return to Bing with your profile icon visible in the top right corner. That icon confirms you're logged in and gives you access to account options. If you ever need to switch accounts or sign out, click that icon and choose Sign Out, especially on shared devices. And that's it. Quick, secure, and ready for personalized search on Bing.